We've titled this video a deep slot to rivet conversion for vinyl straps. You'll see we have slots that are really punched out pretty deep, and therefore we need to use a special rivet, which in this case is the rivet number 30515 long shank rivet. This is so that it gets a good grip down inside in the depth of the metal as it's punched out there along with the vinyl. We're going to drill a hole in the slot on both sides and use a 15/64 inch drill bit. You can use a 1/4 inch. It might not fit quite as snugly. If you can try both, though. You can start with the 15/64 inch, and if it doesn't seem to go in well with the rivet, you can go ahead with the 1/4 inch and re-drill it a little bigger. Once you get both sides of the slots drilled out, we're going to go ahead and take a cloth tape and measure from one point of connection to the other side point connection. And when we take the cloth tape from one end to the other where it connects, we have a measurement of 24 inches. We're going to take that 24 inches and we're going to go ahead and subtract 4 inches, because that's how much we'll subtract for this length that you measure, and we'll come up with a 20-inch strap. So we'll cut the strap at 20 inches. Here we'll show you how that we'll cut the strap at the 20-inch mark with a roll of vinyl, which of course you can buy the vinyl rolls at Patio Furniture Rehab in various sizes and of course colors, or you can buy them pre-cut, where we cut it ahead of time for you on our 2-ton tabletop press. They'll look a little different. They'll be rounded at the ends instead of cut at the corners like this. Once we cut the corners, and after the strap is cut there, we go ahead and we're going to set this to cut the hole, which is about a 1/4 inch in the center on both ends, so that we'll have a place for the rivet. Once we get that, we're prepared to put the vinyl strap in coffee hot water, which will heat the vinyl enough to make it stretchable, whereas of course it'd be very difficult to stretch on if you did not heat the strap. So now we'll go ahead and put the strap in the coffee hot water for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now the vinyl strap has been in the water about 4 or 5 minutes. We'll pull it out. You might, of course, work with it carefully the way you pull it out, either with some tongs or something like that. And then we'll go ahead and place the rivets in ahead of time on each end of the strap, and then we're prepared to put it on the furniture. You work with the strap as quickly as you can while it's hot. If you need to wear some gloves, you can do that, some cloth gloves. If it helps as far as handling the vinyl, you put the strap in, push the rivet in all the way on one side in the hole that we drilled out, stretch it over the other side, hold it with one hand while you put the rivet in the other with a little slack left on the vinyl. Let the slack go, let it tighten up, and your strap is installed.